The clock is literally ticking. You've got exactly 72 hours to decode the secrets of Southeast Asia's most captivating city before your window totally closes. Welcome to this explainer, where we're mapping out the ultimate high-stakes 72-hour mission in Kuala Lumpur. But look, before you can even cross the border to execute this mission, you've got to navigate the digital dragnet.
Okay, so let's talk about this ticking clock. That number right there, 72, is absolutely crucial. It represents the literal 72-hour pre-arrival window you need to breach the Malaysian border legally. The whole thing revolves around the Malaysia Digital Arrival Card, or MDAC. Think of it as your mandatory clearance code. Without it, you're not getting in.
So here's how this strict 3-day submission window breaks down. The official system will absolutely not let you apply any earlier than 72 hours before you arrive. It is totally locked down before then. It records all your essential data, essentially replacing those old paper arrival cards, and it's mandatory for almost all foreign nationals. If you hit hour zero at immigration without this, no way. The gates stay closed.
Now there's another critical logistical detail here that trips up countless travelers, and it's super important. Your passport has to have at least 6 months of validity from your arrival date. I mean it, without that half-year buffer, your mission is totally scrubbed before you even step foot on the plane. It is a strict, non-negotiable requirement.
Okay, let's rapidly break down the tactical steps of this digital dragnet so you can navigate the registration flawlessly. Step 1, get on the official immigration portal. Step 2, input your exact passport, travel, and accommodation data. And Step 3, present that completed MDAC at border verification. Oh, and a huge red flag to watch out for, this process is completely free. If a site asks you for payment, it's a fraudulent trap. Walk away.
Part 1, Day 1, Colonial Shadows and the Crimson Kitchen. Once you clear immigration and secure your perimeter, our mission begins on the ground.
We're stepping into the shadows of the old empire before plunging right into the fiery, chaotic energy of the night. Notice the stark visual contrast of the city's dual identity. We're moving from the quiet, desaturated daytime heritage sites of the colonial era straight into the electric, pulsing neon chaos of the night markets. It's a city of wild extremes, and you really have to master both to truly understand it.
Our first target is Merdeka Square. The crucial takeaway here is that this former British cricket pitch is the literal starting point of independent Malaysia. Back in 1957, the British flag was lowered for the last time right on this spot, ending 171 years of colonial rule. Today, it stands in historic silence, ringed by gorgeous heritage buildings like the grand Neo-Saracenic Sultan Abdul Samad building.
From the square, we slip right past the commercial chaos of Petaling Street, the absolute beating heart of Chinatown. You'll be navigating a really dense labyrinth of stalls selling counterfeit goods, all hiding beneath century-old architecture. But look past the modern hustle, and you'll discover pre-war shophouse facades, intricate Peranakan tilework, and carved wooden details. Quick tip, if you do engage the vendors, you've got to bargain hard. Those initial prices, they're usually inflated by 200 to 300%.
Part 2, the Crimson Corridor, Jalan Alor. As night falls, our coordinates shift over to the Bukit Bintang district.
We are tracing a path straight into a smoky, red lantern-lit culinary theater that's widely considered one of Asia's greatest street food corridors. And to understand the food here, you really need to understand Wok Hei. It literally translates to the breath of the wok. It's this incredibly complex, smoky flavor created by weaponizing extreme charcoal heat in a seasoned iron pan. These chefs aren't just cooking, they are literally controlling fire.
So, here's your rapid-fire hit list to conquer Jalan Alor. You are hunting for smoky char kway teow, absolutely packed with wok hei, freshly grilled sauté skewers, fried oyster omelet, and barbecued seafood. And to break all that intense heat, grab a bowl of icy sendal. Just keep in mind, shared tables are the total norm here, so get ready to sit shoulder to shoulder with locals and fellow travelers alike.
Part 3, Day 2, Heavenly Heights and Steel Giants. Our perspective now shifts completely upward.
We are ascending from the misty spiritual hills of the morning to the city's towering monoliths in the evening. First, we scale Robson Heights to survey this masterfully designed sanctuary, the Thean Temple. It's this magnificent, 6-tiered Buddhist temple dedicated to the Chinese sea goddess Mazu, and the architecture just beautifully synthesizes Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism. Tactically speaking, the upper levels here offer one of the absolute best vantage points for photographing the sprawling Kuala Lumpur skyline.
From those serene heights, we dive right back down into the sensory overload of Little India, brickfields,
Think of a complex, colorful mandala that perfectly represents the vibrant, chaotic pulse of the neighborhood we are walking into next.
Let's keep the momentum high as we weave through the brick-filled sensory maze. You're instantly hit with vibrant Bollywood music spilling out into the streets, the intense aroma of curry spices, and all these colorful sari shops lining the avenues. Visually, the whole area is anchored by the dramatic, sculpture-covered gopuram of Sri Kandaswamy Temple. Honestly, this is an absolute must for midday culinary exploration. You definitely want to seek out the incredible South Indian dosas and banana leaf rice.
Part 4. Stainless Ambition. The Petronas Twin Towers. As night falls again over the city, we confront the ultimate icons of modern Kuala Lumpur.
452. That number is staggering. That is the height in meters of the Petronas Twin Towers, just totally piercing the night sky.
These steel giants utterly dominate the landscape, gleaming in cold, desaturated silver against the dark clouds. They stand as a profound testament to the city's rapid evolution, shooting all the way up from the colonial shadows of Merdeka Square to these gleaming futuristic heights. Their stainless steel facades represent modern, literally boundless ambition.
To truly conquer the towers, though, you have to choose your vantage point. You can cross the suspended double-decker sky bridge at level 41, which sits 170 meters in the air, or you can ascend all the way to level 86 for the pinnacle observation deck. Just a heads up, this is a highly sought-after tactical position, so advanced booking is absolutely crucial to secure your spot in the sky.
And just like that, the window starts to close. The digital gates are open, and the clock is officially ticking. You've got the logistical intelligence, the cultural map, and the culinary hit list. The only question remaining is, how will you execute your 72 hours in Kuala Lumpur?